knocked the top right out for that. That should send them running. Wait a minute, wait. Why isn't anybody leaving? Why they not scared? Okay, okay. Here's what we gonna do. I want y'all to take all of those ice balls and fill them up with, molten lava.
That's not possible.
But you never heard of thermal emulsifiers?
Well, yes.
You just gotta get a polyacrylamide to enhance the nanoparticle and surfactant association between the two materials.
Okay.
So you do that, and I'm gonna go feed my baby. Yes, I'm gonna feed my baby. There you go. Who's my baby? You're my baby. Don't. You better not wink at me. Don't you wink at me.